Hey everyone, welcome back to Bubblefish TV. Today I'm super excited to share my recent adventure in Okinawa, specifically on the stunning Hatoma Island, which is just north of Iriomote Island. The beaches and crystal clear ocean are just picture perfect. I had a fantastic time snorkeling and diving, spotting some amazing marine life, like white-tip reef sharks, triggerfish, and even a majestic sea snake. And if you're a nature lover, Hatoma is famous for its land crabs, also known as coconut crabs. If you venture into the jungle in the evening, you might just spot one of these fascinating creatures. So if you're looking for a peaceful escape with stunning natural beauty and a warm community, Hatoma Island is the place to be. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.